Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss the today's trick problem, which is question number is 1717 in the lead code, and the question name is maximum score from the removing substring. And this is the medium level question, and the topics will be covered are string, stack, or greedy. But here we will not use the stack because uh, here we will got another optimized solution which is easy, but it is not easy as compared to the stack, but it is logically well, and it will reduce the runtime error runtime. So the question says that we are given a string or two integer, which is x and y, and we want to perform the operations, which is first operation is a b, and while doing this operation we got a x point, and we will exclude the ab from the our string, and perform iteratively this operation. And another operation will be when we got a substring ba, we got a y points. So we will exclude this point, and we will add this to the our solution, and ultimately we will return the value, the maximum point you can get after the applying the above operation on yes. So we will discuss on this solution which is provided here, and also I will provided the solution in the description, so check it out. And let's look it to the look it to the solution step by step, and how it will be uh, solve this solution. So here we will give a three parameter, which is string. First one is x and y. X point will be get if the operation will be performed a b, or y points will be gained when the ba operation will be performed. So here startingly we will looking towards the x and y. Here check we will check the which one is greater, so that we will get maximum point. So at that time, if we got y points are greater than x, then we will swap this x and y, so that we will not want to do another another case for the for y is greater than x, and or one case is x is greater than y. So we will uh, we will consider that x is greater than y. If not, then we will swap them and reverse the string by doing this stl operation, reverse string. And then start our operations by first initializing the variable which stores the count of the a, count of b, and ultimately last is maximum point, which is stored in the answer. So we will iterate our string one by one, starting with we will check out the a, and store the count of the a in cnt a. And if it is not, then it will be stored. If it is not, and if our string character is b, then we will after check another condition, which is if our a count is greater than 0, then we got our ab or ba. So we will store the x, which is ultimately we will make the x as a uh, x as a maximum point. So we will append this x value into the answer, and we reduce the value of a, because we will not count b here. We will reduce the uh, count of the a. If if our a count is less than, it means that it is 0, then we will go to the else part and increment our b. So if at first place here, uh, in this question, in this example, we got y is greater, so we will reverse this string, and we got ba. First we will count b and after a. So at that time, a is less than 0, it means is equal to 0. So here we will count the increase the count of the b. And if if a or b are not present, then we will go to the else part of the uh, condition, and we will also check out the count of the a and b. If the count is will got a count, such as we got a count of a is 1 and count of b is 0, so the minimum value is 0, so 0 multiplied by y is 0. So there will uh, not any points will be append into the answer, and ultimately we we do initialize this to count 00, uh, and this operation done repeatedly. If at the end of the end of the for loop, we check if any count is increase, if any count is remain in this a and b. If present, then multiply with lesser value. So lesser value it will added, and ultimately we got the answer. So while running this, accepted with a runtime 3 and submitted, then here we will beat 93.03 per people, which is 100%, because majority of user will go to this approach, or another approach also present, and some of them use this function such as there are many of the many of these are doing something different, so it will give a little bit runtime. So thank you guys, I will provide the answer in description, so check it out. Thank you for watching.